This the one. Strawberry picking. Fortunately, they closed. You can see the place at the back. It's a nice place to do some picking, but I prefer the other one because you can eat. Oh well, just gonna go to the store.
Mahal, 13 yan, Cherry G sa Vegas. Decoy.
Sure.
Oh, this is the shop that I like.
Or the ripe ones. You reckon we'll get the ripe ones? Not so ripe.
That's alright. Kung kanino dito ka rin, hindi na makaano dito ka rin. Tomato puree.
Mahal ko din. Nag-2 ko may isang kayo.
Dos lang pa. Napila ko ni sa course.
Mas barato. Wow! Pasyensya.
Kapi.
Di ba na sa Pilipinas, pasensya po diyan na.
Sa'yo? Pasensya?
Wala ka kailangan?
Wala.
Oh my gosh, are you?
I'm a Cebuano.
Ah, yeah. Kasi Silonggo, I think.
Ice cream.
I'll make one.
Sticky pudding date. Sticky date pudding.
I'm so disappointed with the strawberries.
That's alright.
Wala ko naka-dry.
Bigyan mo pa. Days na you're done.
Oh, they eat this.
Eat it. $6 off. Tasmanian's White Diamond Brie. Liquors. Espresso. Honeycomb, everyone.
Good guy, no? Shake like ang nanggaling yung ganahan ng palis. No?
Feeling mo kuan kayo ka nang sa TV ka lang, oh, let's go get some.
Yeah. This is the fresh juice.
Center ka nga rin. Control. It's like you're speeding but you don't know where you're going.
Yeah, I was looking at the video.
Hinihinay lang. We're gonna turn left. At sa tip ka na daan.